Welcome to Federal Pro. In this video, we're going to help you understand your standard Form 50, commonly known as the SF-50. This form is a critical part of your federal employment file. Whether you're new to government service, preparing to retire, or just want to double-check your records, understanding your SF-50 is essential. Before we begin, please remember that Federal Pro is not affiliated with any federal agency. This information is provided for educational purposes only. It is not legal advice. Always consult your Human Resources Office for guidance on your personal employment situation. If you need legal advice, consult a legal professional. Once an employee begins working for the federal government, they will start seeing emails saying that a document has been added to their EOPF, and this is very often an SF-50. This happens whenever there is a change of information due to hiring, promotions, a grade increase, retiring, resigning, or even getting a cash award. All these actions indicate a new SF-50 has been created and added to your EOPF. It's important to understand what your SF-50 is used for. It can impact retirement processing, appeal rights, pay setting, and how leave is accrued. It's also essential documentation used to make employment, pay, and qualifications decisions about you in the future. Each SF-50 includes important details such as your job title and occupational series, your grade and step, your salary, duty station, work schedule, and whether you're in a probationary or trial period. It may also list your tenure, type of service, retirement plan, and whether you're part of a bargaining unit. Current federal employees can access their SF-50s through the Electronic Official Personnel Folder System, also known as EOPF. You can log in through your agency's HR portal. If you have questions, corrections, or need help retrieving a copy, contact your Human Resources Office. If you are no longer a federal employee and you believe your SF-50 or personnel file contains errors, you may submit a written correction request to the Office of Personnel Management. Let's talk about the layout of the SF-50. It's organized into dozens of numbered boxes, each with specific information. Box 1 shows your name, last, first, and middle initial. If you don't have a middle name, the letters NMN, for no middle name, will appear. Box 2 is your Social Security number, often redacted to the last 4 digits. Box 5 is the nature of action. This tells you what happened. Box 5A is the action code, such as 100 for career appointment. Box 5B is the legal authority, the rule or law under which the action occurred. If there's a secondary action, you'll see it in Box 6A and 6B. Box 15 shows your official position title and position number. Your job title might say Program Analyst, Management Assistant, or Human Resources Specialist. The number identifies the exact position description tied to your job. This is critical if you're later questioned about duties, classification, or coverage. Box 9 is your occupational series. This number identifies the general category of your position. For example, 0301 for General Admin, 0343 for Management and Program Analysis, 2210 for Information Technology. Box 10 shows your grade, such as GS12, GS9, or WG10. If you're on a different pay system, like AD or SL, it will be reflected here. Box 24 shows your tenure. Whether you are accepted service or competitive service will impact the meaning of the codes in this box. Career tenure, competitive service, makes you eligible for reinstatement if you leave federal service, which allows non-competitive eligibility for certain federal jobs. In the competitive service, Code 1 equals full career tenure. Code 2 equals career conditional. Code 3 equals temporary or term limited. Once you complete 3 years of creditable service, your SF-50 should update to reflect Code 1. In the accepted service, the meanings shift slightly. Code 1 equals permanent after completing a trial period. Code 2 equals not yet permanent, trial period in progress. Code 3 equals time-limited position. Some employees may see Code 0, used for unique appointments like Schedule C. Box 23 shows your veteran's preference for hiring. Box 26 shows your veteran's preference for RIF, or reduction in force. Unfortunately, this is currently a hot topic. If you are a retired military member, you typically do not get RIF preference. If you served but did not retire, you may still qualify. Box 31 is your service computation date, often called your SCD, or SCD for leave. It affects how much annual leave you earn. There are different SCDs for leave and for retirement. They may be the same, but not always. Box 45 is the remarks section. This often contains key employment notes, drug testing requirements, supervisory designation, trial or probation period end dates, FLSA status, special pay rules. Don't skip this section. It often explains what the rest of the form does not. To learn more about your SF-50, check the Guide to Processing Personnel Actions, or GPPA. Title 5 of the Code of Federal Regulations, especially Part 315, mspb.gov, for decisions about removals, tenure, and probation. And when in doubt, talk to HR. Your SF-50 tells the story of your federal career. Understanding what it means and how to read it gives you more control over your future. Knowledge is power, and in these turbulent times, more important than ever. As an ER practitioner, understanding an SF-50 is vital to ensure employees are treated fairly and the agency is able to operate efficiently. Thanks for watching. This is Federal ER Pro, helping you navigate federal employment and the craft of federal casework, one topic at a time.